At half of the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you guys are in good spirit. Well, my people, me are going to bring on us straight down memory lane, taking this. Lawyers representing Abigail Malcolm, the People's National Party candidate for the Cornwall Mountain Division in Westmoreland, say her Jamaica Labour Party counterpart, Donette Foster, has been evasive in their efforts to serve her injunction documents. On Friday, Malcolm applied for an injunction through her attorneys Maurice McCurdy and senior counsel Clayton Morgan, seeking to bar Foster from being sworn in as the counselor. My viewers and subscribers, my wisdom warriors, right now PNP files injunction to prevent swearing in of JLP councillor-elect in Cornwall Mountain Division pending recount. I do not blame the PNP. So the thing say, you see how we out here, remember, we see what going on, and the same thing that we're saying, and that exactly happening to my viewers and subscribers. Mark Golding and a fool, Mark Golding mean business, I mean say they too corrupt, so, and they not get away with it, And that, a real corruption people, them, and you always know, say, win, a thief and thief election, like how we always say. But this year, me like how them, you see, Mark Golding, PNP, them are moving silence. Yeah, man, me like it. On Friday, Malcolm applied for an injunction through her attorneys Maurice McCurdy and senior counsel Clayton Morgan, seeking to bar Foster from being sworn in as the counselor. They are demanding a magisterial recount in the division after the Electoral Office of Jamaica, EOJ, declared Foster the winner following the local government election on February 26. In a slim margin of 27 votes, Foster 1,497, votes to Malcolm 1,470. We applied for a magisterial recount in the Cornwall Mountain Division in Westmoreland on Friday, and we applied for an injunction to prevent the swearing of the candidate for the JLP, Miss Donette Foster, but she has been very evasive. You know what that means? She avoided it. She avoid them, and that she try to do. She don't want to be served, so she avoid it. Hey, story come to bomb. Say, yo, the whole of them are real canatis, But she has been very evasive, as the bailiff is not able to locate her. McCurdy told the paper today. We are also trying to serve the election petition on her as well. But Miss Foster has been evading the service. Basically, she avoid them because she want to run go swear in as a councillor. And this is what I like about the PNP. Them anything them say, them mean. They not say something and do the other. If them ask for a recount, why it is so hard? Remember, Remember, so they did say Mark Golding is the winner. And then go then ask for them recount. And one bag of man pretend like say them never done count it. When they know so them done count. Them know so them done count already. This is why they announce the winner. This is why they make Cliff Hughes announce the winner. To send over all documentation, all file and all report because they will make it in demand transparency. The EOJ them to recount and make it look like say something is going on. They never done count it. Because think so we are idiots. Don't think so we are idiot. Mark Golding. Don't ease up. Don't ease up after them Mark Golding. I'm telling you something. Put out that. For all those who don't know, Mark Golding is a liar. Very interesting. He was a liar and he's a liar. Andrew Wallace knows so in a big trouble. Him know exactly what is going on. You understand? Him not fool that rich. Andrew Wallace a top chopper. May I tell you now. Andrew
Mighty
Wallace
God
a
of
top
Daniel,
scammer. And
we
number one
never
scammer.
smoke
A
without
scam,
fire.
a scam NHT,
never.
scam
You hear what
taxpayers'
the people
money.
them say?
And this is why you see Dennis Meadows come out and say when say, you know. That is why I say Dennis Meadows come out. Remember, say Dennis Meadows usually in the JLP, you know. Enough scamming they do, you know. Yeah. Yeah, enough scamming they do in the JLP. Them a scammer, them a thief. You understand me? They are. That's why you see that one Venetia she run gone over there. Because she said, but wait, PNP not giving no money. Me have to go over here so with the money there. And money, the root, the lover of money is the root of all evil. That's why you see them a go on so. They don't love Jamaican people. And this is why I can't understand why uno people in a green I run up and down behind Andrew Owners. Uno forget what Andrew Owners do. If it never happened to uno exactly. Uno remember what Andrew Owners do to uno people. Remember when I COVID Andrew Holness, Jamaica was the only country that was charging people more than plane ticket money. True they now wear mask. Charge people. That the money the way they did charge people, it's more than a plane fare. My viewers and subscribers, I can't believe this. And that the man don't want for run. When the feel say Andrew Holness, you see all of the things that Andrew Holness was doing in a pandemic. One thing say Andrew Holness decides say he want to stop. I would the land thing. Mark Golding take him go court about the lands. You understand? Mark Golding take him go to court. Even with the car seat business with the taxi driver them. And Mark Golding are the one to fight on the back on a taxi boy, on a taxi man. And Mark Golding. Uno fi stand up with not Andrew Holness. Uno think say everything when Andrew Holness say, oh, he's going to do a change of heart. Yeah, ma do a change of heart because he want to win and control the place. Then he go back to when normally do. Uno go see. And you know what I go say? If me did know. But then time there, me I go say, Andrew, hey, blast them, Andrew, blast them. Yeah, me now go come out because Andrew, me tell you already, you know. Me tell you already, if you allow Andrew Holness to win election and all them something all the general election and everything and Jamaica turn Republican and start ball out me not cause Andrew. Me just show it up and rub it in our face. That's what I'm going to do. Because if me every day me I come out and I encourage the dunce back them and the fly back the girl them, yeah, I teach them something and they can learn. Then me. When Andrew Holness win now, general election, and I treat no bad, me if you go pick up phone, no must lick on no head. Me not do that. Me not doing that. So no better saddle up from now. Me tell you no that. On better saddle up from now. My viewers and subscribers, my wisdom warriors. See, the girl, the counselor, she is avoiding to be served because she want to run. Go swearing for counselor. Not at all. Mark Golding is not having it. Only thing say Mark Golding just do all of this because he want to. Him know what happened. I upload a video last night and show you somebody that was working there. Somebody that was working and that was present. Talk everything. Where happened? Number one, Daryl Vaz of people a vote for him after the place lock, police station lock. Then should be disqualified. You understand? And PSOJ don't see that. And the only reason why they don't see that I show them a labor right. Me not understand. All of them places shouldn't be an independent body. PSOJ shouldn't be independent body. Me don't know how comes them a labor right. Me not understand. You get me? One of the see PSOJ, me not stop call on out. Because Uno is not credible. Uno and EOJ is not credible. Uno do everything in Andrew Holness' favor. You understand? And PSOJ, Uno need to call out Andrew Holness about declaring his asset because Uno know what Juliet Holness do, the Prime Minister wife, where is the Madam Speaker now. You know what she's doing? She's delaying the reports that the Integrity Commission gave to her. She delay everything and amend the legislation to suit themselves. And that them are do. That is what Juliet Holness is doing. That is what they're doing. And then when I talk about, we don't want to get rid of people, we are scam. And we don't want to get rid of nobody, we are scam. Because we don't scam on damn self. We don't scam taxpayers' money. And I talk about, we don't want to get. All we don't feel like up scammer, you know. If you tell the real truth. We don't feel like up scammer. Because we don't scam on self. That means we don't hypocrite. That means we don't hypocrite. Una real hypocrite. My viewers and subscribers, this behavior, you see this behavior where the JLP councillor have done faster? This type of behavior about she avoid. Yeah, me like how the PNP them serve her injunction. But choose she avoid them now. She want hurry up for go swearing. Hey, listen. Una fi stop this, you know. Una fi stop this thing. It is not good. You know, look good for your country. Only some look at idiot on the country, like some idiot in the green shot. And them alone on the country. Because them need some knowledge. They don't know knowledge. So I not even look upon them. All when they come over here comment, me just cut me eye and kiss me teeth. Yeah, because uno no sensible. Uno no sensible. Uno just go off of feelings. I look at Andrew Wallace and say, oh, me like Prime Minister, me like when I wear clock. Uno fi stop them something there. And the die-hearted mentality, uno fi cut that out as well. Cut out the die-hearted, you know, worth it. I say if Andrew Wallace a kill off, uno pick me a kill uno off, uno go still be die-hearted. Uno fi have sense, man. My wisdom warriors, this video when me just show uno, this video done 1 year ago. 1 year ago. Wanna remember local government election? Yes, at that time it done. But stick up in me people. Wanna see in the video, me mention them fi cut out the die-heartedness. If I saw them I go kill off, wanna pitney them. If I see them so I go be die-hearted. But look what is happening now. There's crime against humanity, against the youth them in a Jamaica, and nobody now stand up, nobody now say nothing. Nobody now say nothing. Me not have a problem, you know, with the police then go out and catch the criminal them. But when you see the man them and the man they not have no gun or the man they not rise up nothing off of uno, why uno not just bring them in? Oh, my people, me forget. Kevin Blake say the prison them overpopulated. Hey, una have to read between the lines in Jamaica. Una have to read between the lines. Kevin Blake come out and him said that all time own mouth. Said the prison them overpopulated. So we have to think. We have to think. We have to think. You see, once the police then do things the right way, we don't have a problem. But when uno do things the right way, that is when the citizens have a problem with uno. You understand? Because too many lives has been lost. Too many lives, even Indicom, very, very concerned about this, what is happening. But yet, because uno die-hearted, nobody now come out and say anything. It is really sad. Jamaican people are full-time. Uno fi learn fi stand up on uno own 2 feet. Uno fi learn fi unite and come together as one and defend uno one another. And that we have to do. We have to defend each other because nobody now gonna have a back. Remember say Andrew Wallace, them police have fame back, you know. Uno notice how much police him have to walk with? Uno ever notice? Uno ever notice Andrew Wallace and one bag of police? Then if Andrew Wallace was doing so good in Jamaica, which Prime Minister go get up and walk with one bag of police? Talk truth. Talk the truth where God love. Look for Mark Golding. Uno see Mark Golding have one bag of police around him? Just check it. Just check the levels. Anyway, my people, uno remember in the last video, when I showed earlier, I did tell you about Cheshire village, where Mark Golding father Bill. Take a look at this.
Welcome to Cheshire Village, a place where accessibility meets opportunity, and where inclusiveness is more than just a concept, it's a way of life. Nestled in the Hope River Valley, Cheshire Village was built by my late father, Professor Sir John Golding, in the 1970s, with the goal of providing a safe and supportive environment for persons with disabilities. Each home in the village is meant for a person with disabilities and an able-bodied person to live together in harmony.
I remember when I had my accident, Professor Golding was the one who was there for me. He's the one that really takes so much interest in getting me to who I am today. Professor Golding is a visionary person. He made this community, Cheshire Village community, accessible for persons with disability so that we can able to develop ourselves, be independent.
When this place was opened in the 1970s, I felt excited about the whole situation. I see it will help me and other disabled persons because of the accessibilities around. I started swimming in 1966. Was my first games, was the Commonwealth Games in Jamaica here. When I had to go training, it was easier to go by Mona Rehab and do my training there. The community has really helped me to be independent.
Sir John Golin, who came to Jamaica, who operates in the medical fraternity. A very special person, very special gifted person. Such a great contribution he had made to this country, in particularly to our disabled community. He was the one who really administered to my disability.
I know that his son, Mark Golding, will follow in his footsteps to continue the good work that he started.
Mr. Mark Golding, who I believe is now in politics, and I are striving towards the head of this country, and I trust and hope that he'll be successful.
Inclusivity must become part of us and be part of every decision that we make. The people, the residents of Cheshire Village, and indeed all persons with disabilities must have a seat at the table. When given the opportunity as Prime Minister, I will strive to ensure that Jamaica is not just for the few, but for every Jamaican, and that all voices are heard.
Make the trumpets play. Jamaican people want better. Economy coming like stars.
My wisdom warriors. You see, when the Labour right them come out and a chat pure rubbish, man, and I talk about I want to vote for white man and we don't know a white man background and all these rubbish. Listen to me, man. Listen to me. Me hear someone when I talk about Mark Golding not do nothing. Mark Golding continue in father legacy. Yeah, Mark Golding continue in father legacy. Because Mark Golding could have stopped everything though, but he chose not to. He chose not to. And the Cheshire Village and that alone, there's many more things Mark Golding is doing up to today. And when Mark Golding get pay, let me tell you something. When Mark Golding get him pay, Mark Golding give 100% and pay to charity of Jamaica, of the government of Jamaica, if you never know that. And other than that, Mark Golding have 5 charities in Jamaica. You see uno dirty kin labor right. You see uno man. You see uno brother. Uno go get frig. But guess what? We are going to get out Andrew Wellness. We are going to make sake of phone stupidity. We still the low. We are going up high. We're going high. Very, very high. We're going high like an eagle because we are an eagle. You understand me? I want to have sense. I want to go get some knowledge. I want to go get some knowledge. My wisdom warriors, I have a few videos where I want to show you how the Jamaica Labour Party, them same one always hitch up down at Cheshire Village. But when them down there, them not tell the people them say, I'm Mark Golding around there. So they not make the people them know say, I'm Mark Golding father build Cheshire Village. And that enough to talk about. That enough to talk about. Take a look at this.
My name is Kenroy Bailey, physical disabled person living at Cheshire Village. Today, as you can see, I got some nice package from the Minister of Labour and our Indian. A lot more. Got some nice package. I'm very happy for it. I say thanks and wish them a happy new year when it comes, and thanks them for everything that they have done for us.
I don't know why Sir John Golding build a village like Cheshire Village. I don't know why. Because when him think about disability people, my wisdom warriors. He want the people them to feel comfortable and feel at home, and he don't want the discrimination. So the man decides say he might go build a village, and everybody, every single person will have a disability can live in that area. Everybody. So when me hear no come out and attack this and attack that and a rate, me have to really wonder if you're not alright. Me have to really wonder. Me have to really wonder. And the rehabilitation center in Jamaica is going on. It's going on so good. And no found no door taking labor right family have to hitch up there. No found no. No found no where do physio up a surgeon golden no go. No for uno. You see uno? Worry on yourself, man. If ungrateful was a person, that is the Jamaica Labour Party. But guess what? We are take uno out right now. We are take uno out of House of Parliament. We don't want no Jamaica Labour Party government ever again in a Jamaica. Uno have to lift up. Me glad all the 15th of September so come. Me can't wait. Me so excited. Me can't wait. Me cannot wait. Me don't mind you call the election in Andrew Holness, but me know say you just put it off. Because you know say you're not safe. So you wait till it's safe for you now. Then you go tell the Governor General for call election. All the Governor General I want next one, you know. You see all the Governor General, you know think I want easy old man? You know easy, you know. The man go sign off from Portmore Parish. Can you imagine? Go sign off from Portmore Parish. And they break the constitution. You always want to know about the Governor General, you know. Governor General don't care. Remember, say the Governor General only oversee Jamaica, you know. He don't care about we. He don't care about we. He don't care about we. The whole of them are the same. The whole of them are the same. Remember, say Andrew Holness I do what he's supposed to do. That's why I don't want to let go from the Privy Council. Because I do what I'm supposed to do. You understand? The elite support Andrew Holness. Mark Golden was right. You understand? We have been saying this from a long time, you know. We have been saying it for a very long time. So when I realize that the elites them now, I support Andrew Holness. We the people have to unite now. Because he might get whole heap of support. And guess what them do? Hey, Lord Jesus, maybe I go say something, but my wisdom warriors, me I go leave it for you next time. Want to tell me what you think, want to tell me how you feel about this, put on an honest opinion in the comment section, like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Big up on a nice clean self. One love.
Why not go on the first promise? On the things that we are putting back in the office, on the things that we are novice, on the better listen to this. Vote them out cause them not see we when we young. Vote them out from Kingston to country. Vote them out cause when they win them a go dump way. We have to tell them promptly people just vote them out cause them not see we when we young. Vote them out from Kingston to country. Vote them out, we have to tell them promptly. Cause when they win them a go dump way. Marky G, you know you the people them really want to see a great leader who will talk to we. Put on the boat and go, they go walk to we. Yes, go march to we. Because we have some guy with them on a intention, leading the country in the wrong direction. That's why we come to make we own a selection. This we are gonna do when in call the election. Vote them out cause them not see we when we hungry. Vote them out from Kingston to country. Vote them out cause when they win them a go dump way. So we are tell them promptly people just vote them out cause them not see we when we hungry. Vote them out from Kingston to country. Vote them out cause when they win them a go dump way. We have to tell them